This is what's left of my hair dryer. See, look. You can see inside! Woo! This is the coil and all the fun stuff. And, ooh, look. I got a blood blister. I'm trying to pop it open. This is what happens when you break your hair dryer. It was already broke to begin with, so you don't have to worry. I didn't, like, destroy property of myself, of course, but, not destructive. It popped and, like, started smoking one day when I was using it, so I'm like, I don't think I'm going to use that anymore. But this is what I did. Open it up, and look what I found. It's like paper or something inside this hairdryer. So, we're going to see if it's flammable with this. Let's go. Outside. Do not do this without adult supervision, I guess, which would count me out for doing it, but whatever. Okay. This is what happens. Set it on fire. So far, nothing. It's like burning, but it's not like on fire. So, passes the test, I guess. It's burning, but it's not flammable. Thank God. So, I've done found out my hairdryer is not flammable. And neither is yours, so don't worry. This isn't like paper, I guess. Oh, and it smudges. Look. Smudges off. Neato. Okay, bye.